It has been described as a mystery, a temporary madness, a force you can do nothing more than surrender to. You're willingly taken along for the ride, aware that it may reach a high-impact casualty just down the track. It affects us on a deep level where heart and soul merge together, taking us to a higher level of being, a deeper level of feeling. Love can only be described as magic.
Hi, Soph. Perfect timing as always.
Thank you.
I see you here every day, and every time you give me that look. Which leads me to think it's an invitation.
It's not an invitation.
You sure?
Certain. Try someone else.
No, I'm good here. You should try it. Relaxing. It seems that you don't do that enough.
You think you know me, do you?
I think I've got a pretty good idea. Most people are content just to sit and relax. Wait till they're at work before they begin. And then there's you. Each day you arrive here with your coffee and throw yourself straight into work. If you ask me, I'd say you're overcompensating.
Most people don't come up to a complete stranger and make them feel like a case study. Which makes me wonder. Weren't you taught proper manners? Or did you decide to make me an exception?
An exception.
Lucky me.
You're dedicated and driven. Admirable qualities usually. But you know what they say about people that are all work and no play, right?
They get ahead in life?
Maybe. But at what cost?
Look, I have better things to do.
Of course you do. And that's the reason you do it, isn't it? To avoid life, just as you're trying to avoid this conversation. Until work becomes the only thing you have, apart from owning a pet cat. Probably name something like Shakespeare.
His name's Da Vinci. Why are you doing this?
Because it's a waste. How can someone as smart as you be so stupid?
I didn't take you as the type of guy who cared if they were smart or stupid. As long as they've got a decent rack and passable looks, right?
If that's the case, there's no complaints here. And there's certainly no improvements necessary when it comes to your looks. Besides, I've dated bimbos like that before. A bullet holds more appeal.
I could assist you with that.
I bet you could. How about we save that for our first date? Maybe somewhere between mains and dessert? How do you feel about Italian?
I already told you. I'm not interested.
I heard you the first time. I just don't believe you.
Will your ego not allow it? Or is it just too difficult to comprehend that maybe you're just not my type?
You want to know why?
I'm sure you'll tell me.
You'll look, but won't allow yourself to act any further. You refuse to acknowledge what you truly want. Pretend you're not attracted, not interested. And that, honey, just makes you a liar.
You think you have me all figured out, don't you?
Don't I? Prove me wrong then. What's your name?
Sophie.
Sophie. I'll leave it to you to make the next move.
The delayed train to Central City will be arriving shortly, approximately 15 minutes behind schedule.
Take her back to yours, right? Pour her a few drinks, get her ready, get her on the bed, give me a call and I'll come show you how it's done.
It's the boring, sexually frustrated ones like her. They're the most eager to please and wild in the state. Just wait, she'll come back, wet and gagging for it. They always do.
Train to City Central will be departing from platform 1. Metro service thanks you for your patience.
Jody.
Sophie. You know what? When the train comes, do us both a favour and jump in front of it.
Oh, you're all class, aren't you?
Love can be magic, but sometimes we're left to discover that this magic is nothing more than an illusion.
Hi,
Hey,
I'm Sophie.
Steve.
So,